Hello everybody and welcome back to Untitled Studio, and today we'll be designing another Nike UI design. So I have some images. I'm just going to get this one and make it smaller. Zoom in. Just make it bigger. Okay. Now select on the rectangle tool and make a rectangle on the whole screen. Send it to back. Copy and paste. Just drag this one right to there. Send that to the back. Remove the border from both of them. And change this color to, let's see, this color. Try making it more darker, like this color. Okay, and look at this background blur, like that. No, delete this. We'll make this smaller. Select on the circle tool. We'll make a circle around this. Sending these to the back. Select on this. Bring it up. Just make it smaller a bit. Just like that. Bring it on. Change the color to color on the shoe. Okay. Now, okay, just select on this, make it a little bigger so it can be hanging over the edges of a circle. Just align them. Okay. I'll group that and align that into the middle. Now, Control Shift and ungroup that. And we're just gonna just paste the Nike logo in. You can get the Nike logo anywhere, just stick it into Adobe Illustrator and trace it. Okay, so we'll make it smaller, more smaller than that. And we'll bring it up to the corners. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's go 3. Okay, now select on the text tool. We're just gonna write home. Now we're just gonna make a navigation. We'll just copy that. Again. Just select on all of them. Bring them up to the top. And align them all on a straight line and give them equal space. We'll change the font size to 16. And change the color to white. Align them all again. Just paste in the search icon. We'll change it to white. As well as this. Make it smaller. And paste this in, which is a card icon. Turn it white and make it smaller. Bring it in, zoom in, and just select on them both. Select on this, and just drag them. Wait, sorry. Zoom out and just drag them over to here. Select on this. Just click on it, make it smaller. Make this one smaller. Select on the two and align them. Bring them up to this. Bring them in. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Zoom out. Go all the way. Put them here. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Select on these. Group them and align them to the center. Ungroup. Change the color on these, the transparency to 50. Zoom in. Use the pen tool to make a line underneath it. And increase the size of it. Make it go down and align it into the center of this. Zoom out and change the color to, wait, change the color to red. Okay. Select these, bring them in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll copy this. We'll go on, change this to BBass. I don't actually really know what shoe this is, what Nike, so I'm just going to say that it's Nike Air Max. Decrease the size in this. Okay. And then we just copy this and paste in some Norman Ipsum. Make the font to CBY. Nope. Remove all this. Type UI. Change the size to 20. Place it there. Just make it smaller. We'll decrease this. 1, 2. And get up. We'll go 1, 2. Let's just use 2 more. Like that. Okay, now we copy this again. And this time we type a price for the shoe, which will be 279. Increase this size to 30. Make sure this is 100. Bring it up. 1, 2, 3 for this one. Select on the rectangle tool, just make another rectangle. Copy this. Select and merge them into the back. And type in this buy now. Change the font to BBass. Change the color of this to red. And the color of this to black. Oh, nice color on that. Red, black. Let's select on the background and make it a bit darker. Okay, now make this, make it darker. That. We align it. Okay. Now just zoom into this and make this smaller. A button. Just align this into the center. Not only, let's delete this piece of text so we can make this shorter. Bring this up. 1, 2, 3. Select from this, bring this up. 1, 1, 2. Align this into the center. And then bring it up. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. Now zoom out. Select on these. Oops, let me just make them bigger. Not only, move this forward. Then we'll select on the circle tool, make another circle around 90. Let's just make it 90. Copy and paste. Bring it. Paste. Copy and paste. Let's go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Like that. Okay, now zoom out. Now some other shoes here. These. Delete that. Drag them on. These 3. What we do this one, select from the rectangle tool, you make a rectangle. Zoom in. You just make the rectangle exactly the same size as the shoe. Just like that. Then you show this extra space. Select on the tree, right click, mask with shape, and it'll be that big. Let's do it to all of them. Let's make it as big as the shadow tree. Like that. Select, mask with shape. So this guy. Okay, I've done them all. Now, let's bring them up. Bring them down. We'll start with one at a time. So we'll bring it in. And we'll just turn it like that. Make it smaller. Rotate it by 35 degrees. Okay. Get this. Bring it in. Make it smaller. Half on, half off. Select the square and just make it orange. Nope, lighter. So we do to make it lighter, you just come over here and change it to lighter orange. More like that. Okay. But we must remove the border. Okay, so now let's zoom out. You bring on this one. Make it smaller. More smaller. Like that. And then a circle, we'll just make this blue. Remove the border. We'll put it here. Okay. Let's try rotating this some more so it looks just like those ones. Okay. Rotate by 45. Now zoom out, get this one. Do the same, make it smaller, zoom in, change this color to yellow or green, and just make it bigger now. Okay, and select to move the border, just put it on like that. Now zoom out for the last one, zoom in to make it smaller, zoom in, rotate it by 45, minus 45 degrees, just like that, make it smaller. Okay, selecting this, remove the border, change its color to light gray, nope, blue, like that, yes. Okay, now zoom out, zoom back in, just group all these. Select on all of them, don't need the space. Let's just bring it in to the circles touching. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same with this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now selecting these, and just bring them close up to this, so that line appears. Let's see the line. Weird. Okay, so now just get a ruler and bring the ruler here. Just bring these up to here. Okay. Now make another circle. Hold the shift. Just bring it to there. Onto it. Remove the fill. Just like that. And leave one to the other side. To here. Zoom in on them. Just make a line in them that goes like this. Using the pen tool. Okay, just align that into them. Like that. Copy and paste that. Group it, and then we'll flip it like that. And then this is what we'll move over. Let's go over with it. So let's delete this. Don't need this no more. Shift. Select. Spin this. Or yeah. Bring this. We do make it touch on this. And then we go 1, 2, 3. And so we bring it this way. We select. Make it the top. Nope. Group that. Shift. Group. Make it touch. So 1, 2, 3. This is looking nice. It's taking form. So let's just zoom out and see how it looks. Maybe let's put some texture on the background. The background needs a bit of texture. So what I want you to do is always go to Unsplash, a website named Unsplash where you can get free images and get a picture of a man wearing shoes, just his feet. Okay, so I got this, which is the first choice you get when you go into Unsplash and type in Nike shoe. Just send it behind at everything, select on the background, and we just select on this, and we change it to 99. You see it's gone a bit transparent and you can start seeing the shoe. Let's take it more down to 98. Let's keep it at 98. Now, the background has that nice texture on it. That's good. First, let's zoom in down here and change these borders to white. So I'm going to keep them grey. Again, then we zoom out, select on each other, group each other, and select on each other of these, and group them, and align these guys into the center of them, like that. Okay, bring them down to the floor. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, just like that. Okay, now, okay, just get some icons, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Just bring them over here, make them smaller, bring them in, and just 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, push it and G, just bring them in, 1, bring this one in, 1, 2, select on them, get them the transparency of 50. Okay. Now this is a very nice design I'm very happy to give to you guys. Now, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment in the comment section below if you'd like to see this design prototyped, if you'd like to see a part 2 of this design, which would be me prototyping it. And ring the bell to be notified for more great videos. See you in the next video.